Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Microsoft Store, how to download apps. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download some apps in Microsoft Store. So when downloading apps, you need to consider if it's free or you need to pay for it. Okay, so let's get started. For example, we're going to download an app right here. We're in the Microsoft Store. Just open up your Microsoft Store. Once your Microsoft Store is open, click on any games that you want here. So we're just gonna choose a free game. To know if it's a free or paid game, you will see there in the bottom right corner of the game, free and owned, free. This payment here, $29. You can just search it, or you can search any games here. Let's try to search within games. See what games comes up. There we go. We have hill climbing racing, free SpongeBob, Krusty Cab, and you can also filter them out if you want. To filter the games out, right here on the top right, click on the filter. Then you may also choose the department, age, if it's you want it for kids only, or the age of your child, just put it on 8. You go all 8-year-old game will just pop out here. 5, there you go. 17, there you go. And on the right, all types, you can choose if it's paid or on sale, or maybe if you're like me, free. There you go, guys. You see, these are all the free. So yeah, then to download, just click on it. Any games you want that you've seen that you like, right here, just click on get. Then let it load. Loading, getting ready, checking dependence. Okay, loading, getting files ready. Turn to download. Wait for it. There you go. Now it's downloading. Oops. There we go. There you go. Once it's done, it will notify you in the top right, and then you can click play. Then there you go. As you can see, I've now successfully downloaded Roblox, and now I'll be able to play Roblox on my PC. Thanks to Microsoft Store. So there you go. Just sign in or create an account. So yeah, that's how you download some apps in Microsoft Store. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys like it. And thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.